Elle avait appelé la police, désespérée parce qu'on venait d'assassiner son mari.
My Jeep is stuck in the back, around the corner, and he's been in the head, please.
Mais derrière ce terrible récit se cachait en fait un secret macabre.
The streak right there in your arm is a splatter, okay? You see how it splatters up your arm?
Yes.
That is not from...
I was not next to him. I was not next to him. When I touched him, I had blood running down my arm, and then I fell into a mud puddle.
You didn't see anybody standing there?
No.
I don't buy it. I think you're full of I want you to tell me the truth. I want you to tell me who pulled the trigger.
I don't
was
know.
sure this table length distance away. Somebody taking a shotgun, pushing it right up against your husband's head. Boom!
No.
And you're telling me you see nothing?
Chasey Pointer était complètement hors de contrôle. On avait mis fin à la vie de son mari devant ses yeux. La scène avait été horrible et elle n'arrivait pas à croire ce qui venait d'arriver.
What's your name?
Chasey.
Chasey? Chasey what?
Pointer.
Tell us what happened.
I heard a shot, and the Jeep started rolling, and I didn't see anything, and I saw a shadow. That's all I saw.
No, was it your husband? What's his name?
Robert Pointer.
Robert Pointer?
Yeah, he's a firefighter. That's my husband.
Just breathe for me.
That's my husband.
Elle était très apeurée, mais par chance, elle avait pu témoigner du peu de choses qu'elle avait réussi à voir après avoir entendu le coup de feu.
There was a man. There's a tall person. That's all I know.
Okay.
He was taller than me.
And what was he wearing?
Dark clothes is all I know.
Did you see any type of firearm, rifle, or anything like that in his hand?
No.
Mais quand était venu le moment de l'interrogatoire avec la police, tous s'étaient rendus compte que Chasey était en train de cacher quelque chose.
You got random bruises from Robert. It could just be him grabbing me. He's done this to me for 7 years. I put the Jeep apart, and then I touched his face, and I yelled his name. And when I pulled my hand away,
The streak right there in your arm is a splatter, okay? You see how it splatters up your arm?
Yes.
That is not from...
I was not next to him. I was not next to him. When I touched him, I had blood running down my arm, and then I fell into a mud puddle.
You didn't see anybody standing there?
No.
I don't buy it. I think you're full of I want you to tell me the truth. I want you to tell me who pulled the trigger.
I don't
was
know.
sure this table length distance away. Somebody taking a shotgun, pushing it right up against your husband's head. Boom!
No.
And you're telling me you see nothing? You see nothing.
He had a camo gun.
A camo gun. How big is this camo gun?
Michael and I ended up hanging when he was there. He said, if I see him kiss you, he said, I'm going to come. I don't know that.
Who killed your husband? Can you say that louder for me, please?
I did.
Chasey savait parfaitement qui était l'homme qui avait tiré dans la tête de Robert et qui avait mis fin à sa vie. Son nom était Michael Garza et c'était son amant. Cependant, elle soutenait encore l'idée qu'elle ne lui avait rien demandé.
I never asked him that.
The plan to kill Robert was planned today.
He had talked about it, yes. And then
And what exactly did he say was the plan?
he told me it was going to make it look like a robbery. He told me he was not a drone.
Garza told you that?
He wasn't to drive out there. I don't stop. He didn't even have Doug. He didn't even have Doug. Yeah. Oh my God. He shot him.
Elle avait raconté à son amant que Robert l'a frappé. Et c'est pour ça qu'il avait voulu lui infliger une grande frayeur pour qu'il arrête de la maltraiter. Mais l'enquête allait révéler en fait des détails beaucoup plus sombres. Michael n'était pas le seul homme avec qui Chasey avait des relations extra-conjugales. Car au total, elle avait 4 amants. Et à tous, elle racontait la même chose, que son mari était violent avec elle.
She would be at my house every around. She did tell me that he'd hurt her a lot. There was a lot of abuse going on, and he never would leave marks because he didn't want to trace.
Les preuves avaient démontré par la suite qu'à aucun moment, il n'y avait eu d'abus de la part de Robert et que la raison pour laquelle Chasey avait eu ce comportement avait tout à voir avec la possibilité de toucher l'assurance vie de Robert. Finalement, Michael avait été condamné à 99 ans de prison alors qu'elle avait reçu une peine de prison à perpétuité.
The heck is going on?
I don't know. My life was out of control.
Car bien sûr, Chasey savait tout et les caméras de la salle d'interrogation allaient en être la preuve définitive. La manipulation de cette femme, en se servant de son amant, avait mis fin brutalement à la vie d'un homme innocent, seulement par cupidité. Mais cela avait aussi détruit une famille entière. Les deux avaient eu une fille il y a peu et lui était déjà père d'autres enfants. Une décision qui avait tout changé et qui allait maintenant être gravée à jamais dans l'esprit de Chasey, pendant qu'elle purgera sa peine.
Are your tears now tears of what you did to your own life or tears of what you did to him?
It's both.